Medhavi AI, from Sanskrit, meaning intelligent or intellectually brilliant, the perfect name for our AI-powered intelligent learning systems. The prompt: Claude Code Terminal, Claude Die, write a Manim scene, quantum tunneling through a rectangular barrier, V0 equals 1 electron volt, incident energy E equals 0.5, vary barrier width D from 0 to 2 nanometers, plot log T versus D, 3 things in every prompt, the rule, the numbers, what to render. The CLI writes the file. Before running, read it. Find this line. Kappa equals SCART 2m times delta V over h bar. That is the decay constant. Check. For V0 minus E equals 0.5 electron volts, kappa comes out 1.15 nanometers inverse. That sets the slope of the log T curve. 30 seconds, not optional. Run it. 2 things to verify. First, at D equals 0, transmission T equals 1. The curve starts at the top. No barrier, full transmission. Second, the log T curve is perfectly linear in D. Slope equals negative 2 times kappa, negative 2.3 per nanometer. Classical physics predicts 0 transmission at any positive D. This is the gap. Both checks pass. Ready to iterate. Iterate. Claude, update tunneling.pii, raise V0 to 2 electron volts. Watch kappa increase to 1.62 nanometers inverse and the slope steepen. Each nanometer now kills more current. 1 number, 1 check, 1 rerun. Prompt, read, run, verify, change. The loop is what you carry forward. Medhavi, AI-powered intelligent learning systems. On YouTube at Medhavi AI, medhavi.com.